Welcome to my April 2024 KDP income report. I haven't done one of these in a while, but it's important to show the results of the strategies I teach on this channel. Now, Q2 and Q1 are typically difficult months for sales, but I've been seeing higher royalties during these months. So let's get into my April income report. And for April, I made $4,438.45. Now, this was actually a 37% drop from the previous month in March, where I made over $7,000. But as I said before, Q1 and Q2 are quite unpredictable. However, the month was quite inconsistent with several highs and low days, with April 10th being the highest, where I made $292.92, and the lowest was the 6th of April, where I made $60.54. Now, over the month, I created just 3 books, and these were 2 activity books and a quiz book, which added to my total of books. And you can see the number here, and whilst it might be a large number to some, I actually only have 262 high quality books that are live. And you definitely don't need thousands of books to succeed on Amazon. Unfortunately, I followed the wrong strategies and listened to the wrong advice, which wasted a lot of my time. And I do believe that you should be seeing consistent growth over a long period with your business. So even go all the way back to April 2022. So 2 years ago, I made $636.48 in the same month. Then just a year later in 2023, I made $3,125.14. So these results give me the confidence that the strategies I'm implementing and what I'm doing is heading in the right direction. Recently, I've been looking into a lot more tools and services that save me so much more time and money in the book creation process. And one of those tools is BookBeam, and it's a research tool that allows me to find the most in-demand keywords and niches within a second. I've already done a video on BookBeam that you can watch. I have also been testing out some review sites that I've had some success with. But one of the most easiest strategies I've done is just to increase the price of some of my best selling books that have good reviews. And just looking at my book orders for March 2023, I actually sold 1,340 books. And as I said earlier, I made $3,125.14 within that month. However, my book orders in this month were actually less. So it was 1,269 book orders, but I made much more this month, making over $4,400. Now, don't just jump to increase your book prices, but what I did was to increase them quite slowly and then just watch the book to see if the royalties either maintain or increase. However, if they decrease, then just move the book price back to what it was before. Now, my best-selling books of the month first includes an activity book that made me $1,452.10, and this activity book continues to sell well for me each month. Then secondly, we have a logbook that made me over $1,000. Again, it's another consistent seller. Then third is actually a high content book, which I've been testing out, and this made me $292.10. Fourth, we've got a quiz book, and then fifth, we've got a children's storybook. So there is quite a variety of books there, low, medium, and high content books. And I like to gain the knowledge on how to create all different types of books. And this just allows me to create whatever is in demand. So if you aren't getting the results that you want, don't be afraid to try out different types of books, because as you can see, I make sales from low, medium, and high content books. Now, I do have expenses for this business, and it usually comes in the form of ads. I run ads in both the US and UK market, as these are usually the most profitable markets. So in the US, I actually spent $366.22, which gave me a total orders of 95 and an ACOS of 40.29%. I am currently testing out new niches and trying to rapidly push sales within the first 30 days. So I'm not too concerned about the ACOS, but just making sure that I am getting sales on those new books. And this is also similar to the UK market, as I'm also trying to aggressively push for the sales of new books. So I spent £919.79 and had a lower ACOS of 30.18%. My focus is just building towards Q4 and making sure that I am getting sales, building reviews, and making sure my books rank well. So finally, let's get into a full breakdown of the month. So my gross profit was $4,438.45 minus the amount that I spent on ads in the UK and US market, which came to $1,514.09. Then also minus some of the tools that I use, and these include ChatGPT, Midjourney, Canva, and a few others, and that roughly comes up to $100 a month. So the final profit is $2,824.36. So thanks for watching this video. Let me know how April went for you in the comments, and also if you do like seeing these income reports.